You guys are not going to believe this Terra Luna price prediction. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day. And if you haven't already, of course, make sure to pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below. But other than that, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, everybody. So we have a Terra Luna Classic price prediction, and this is actually something that's pretty in-depth as far as what they are predicting the price to go. We have a bunch of other predictions as well for other cryptocurrencies in mind, and of course we're going to do some technical analysis on not only Luna but also LUNC for Terra Luna Classic to take a look at what the price could be going to as well in the future. So let's get into this article and see what they have to say. Luna Classic price prediction: will Luna sideways market continue? Terra Luna is down by 4% in today's trading session. The crypto has also traded sideways for the past 5 days, with prices altering between bullish and bearish intraday trading with each trading session. And then the question is, what is Luna Classic? We all know what Luna Classic is, but maybe there's some people watching this video who don't. So of course, in the interest of keeping the community alive and keeping the community always growing, I want to make sure that people who are brand new to this watching this video maybe can learn a little bit here as well. So the Luna Classic was launched on May 28th after the previous Luna project had failed and dropped by 99% before the May crash. Luna Classic served as the Terra's platform reserve currency with 3 core functions that included being used for staking when mining, providing stability of Terra stablecoins, and an incentive for platform blockchain validators. Unfortunately, the second functionality of ensuring the stability of Terra stablecoins is also what led to its fall. Luna was algorithmically linked to UST. This meant that at any time a UST stablecoin was depegged, the stablecoins would be sold for Luna, increasing Luna's supply and therefore reducing the UST supply. Unfortunately, in May, UST depegged abnormally, resulting in more Luna crypto being minted. The result was in a continuing cycle of excessive supply for both coins, which of course resulted in a crazy decrease in value of Luna. This is supply and demand, and one of the things that you guys probably hear more often than not is when people talk about burns. This is one of the key factors in burning, right? When you burn a cryptocurrency, you're essentially eliminating that cryptocurrency from the circulating supply. You no longer can buy however many cryptos are burned out of the supply. You can't buy those anymore. Because of that, the overall circulating supply, basically what's available to you and I to purchase, goes down. When that goes down, the overall price ideally over time can go up, because the less and less just overall general supply of something there is, the more likely you are, of course, to have an increase in price. Basic economics, right? Supply and demand. The more of something there is, the less demand there usually is, so therefore the price is, of course, obviously correlated, right? The price is going to be lower. The more demand there is for something, the less supply there is, the price is going to be higher. It's just the way that it is. Now, keeping all of this in mind, obviously there's a lot of very interesting stuff going on here with Luna Classic and everything in between, and the real question is, what are we doing right now on the charts, right? We had a rising wedge pattern right here, right after a nice little bull flag breakout towards this upside, and of course we pretty much just dumped out of that pattern really hard, and now we are kind of sitting in this very weird sideways market like the article talks about. And you're probably wondering, well, is there any way to get out of this? Are we going to be able to push back up to those highs? Are we going to see any potential for LUNC, or is this it? And if you take a look here, guys, the last couple of days we had a huge dump here, from the 12835 level all the way down here to the 10483 level, and then a little bit of a bounce back here. Very, very strange trading has been going on in these areas. It's very likely that this right here, this dump that we're looking at right here, may have been caused by either a whale or some type of market manipulation. Again, there's nothing that we know, at least that, there's no way to prove what is of obviously what happened here and what caused that. But either way, I think it's still something kind of interesting to look at. Now, overall, I think that we still are moving in a pretty nice way. We're still extremely, way higher than we were before, and we're obviously pretty stable, at least, minus that, unfortunately, at these levels. It'll really be key to see what we end up doing over the next coming days, and that's why I'm going to be watching these charts very closely. I really recommend hitting the subscribe button, guys. These videos are not going away anytime soon, and we're only going to be covering more and more information that is coming out daily about Luna Classic and the overall ecosystem. Other than that, though, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.